Hello everyone, this is Josh again. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to clip a raster image. Now I know that Mel may not recommend you doing this, but it does help with speeding up your computer and cutting out any unnecessary data that you may not need from your raster images. So today I'm going to be showing that with world imagery and with the Navajo Nation layer. So you can see here I have an imagery, a raster data set that is including the whole world imagery basically, and then you have the Navajo Nation data set shapefile, which I can zoom into, and the Navajo Nation is about in this area. So you can see here is the whole Navajo Nation reservation. So what I want to do is I actually want to cut out this area, the picture behind this area, so that I'm only seeing that picture. So I'm going to go to Arc Toolbox. So maybe you want to go to Windows. Actually, no, not Windows. Here, Arc Toolbox window. Click this. It takes a while to pop up the first time you click it. And then you're going to go to Data Management Tools. And then you're going to go to Raster, and then you're going to go to Raster Processing, and then double click Clip. And in this is our clip tool. There's one for rasters and one for vector data sets. So this is a clip tool for rasters specifically. So here is where we're going to input our raster data set, which is the Earth 1 kilometer P2. And then here we're going to specify our extent, Navajo Nation WGS. Now if I just leave it like this, what I'm going to get actually is a rectangle around this whole area, a nice block square. But that's not really what I want. What I want is I want to clip it out only in the areas within the Navajo reservation. So I'm going to go use input features for clipping geometry. Specify an output. I'm just going to leave it as this default area. You want to put this into your geo database, is where you want to put it into. And when you're ready, click OK. And it's going to take quite a bit of time. You know that it's going to start working once you see this pop up at the bottom, clip. So I'm going to pause this video for now until it finishes. Okay, now my clip has finished. You can see I have a new layer right here called Earth 1 km Clip 1. It's the same thing as this one on the bottom. So if I turn off that layer, that disappears. And if I turn off this layer, you can see that I've clipped out the area that is just within the Navajo reservation. Now some of the reasons why this isn't recommended for small areas is if I zoom in this area, you can see that there's a little bit of pixelating right there. If I turn off the Navajo reservation again, you can see that the raster images, it's been clipped out as best as it can be. So it's recommended that you use larger pixel size or a higher resolution raster file. This is actually a low resolution, so every pixel is 1 kilometer big. So that's why we got this little pixelation right here outside of these boxes. Alright, and that's how you clip a raster image. You can do this with any type of raster based imagery. You can use Landsat, aerial photos, and anything like that. And it's highly recommended that you only do this if the data just becomes too large. Alright, goodbye.